Hi everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how to reset a router to fix network issues or restore default settings. So let's get started. First step, locate the reset button at the back of the router, or some router has a small hole at the back labeled as reset. Next, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds or until the router lights start blinking. This indicates that the router is restoring its factory settings. If it is a reset hole, gently insert a pin or a paper clip and press it for about 10 seconds until the lights start blinking. Next, let's connect our device to our router. So after the router restarts, check the sticker at the back of the router to check the default Wi-Fi name, password, and the default IP address. So for example, the default Wi-Fi name of this router is TP-Link 5520. So I will connect to this network and type the password indicated at the back of the router. So once connected, let us open our web browser and type the router's default IP address, which is the 192.168.0.1. Since the router has been reset, on the login page, you will be prompted to create a new router admin password. So set a strong password to secure your settings. So take note, your router admin password should be different from your Wi-Fi password. Choose a strong password and write it down in a safe place in case you forgot your password. Click the Let's Get Started button. The next is you will be prompted to set up your time zone. So for Philippines time zone, choose any time zone with UTC +8. After selecting the time zone, click the Next button. In this page, when prompted about the one port, just click Skip for now. On the next page, you will now be asked to set up your Wi-Fi name or SSID and your Wi-Fi password. So this router provides two types of networks, one that provides 2.4 GHz and one with 5 GHz. So you may enable both networks or only one of them. So if you enable both networks, it's recommended that you use different Wi-Fi names or SSID and different Wi-Fi passwords. Once you're done setting up the Wi-Fi names or SSID and Wi-Fi password, click Next. After that, you will now see the preview of your new Wi-Fi names and passwords. Then just click Next to finish the setup. Now try connecting to these Wi-Fi names and using the Wi-Fi passwords that you just created. And that's all, and that is how you reset a router and perform the basic router configurations.